Hi lovely people, welcome back to my tutorial for today. I sincerely appreciate you guys for your love and your support. And please, if this is your first time stopping by, kindly help us grow by hitting on that red icon to subscribe. And also touch the notification bell to select all to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. So actually in this our today's class, it shall be a very quick one. It's just on how to make a smoke buff sleeve. Okay, I this is in respect of the tutorial that I made before. I made a smoky dress, and it happened that the thumbnail I use has a buff hand with a smoky band. So I have been gotten a request to teach uh, to have a tutorial on that. So in respect to that, we are going to be making only the sleeve. Okay, all right. So here I have a width of my dress to be 22 inches. Okay, sorry, the length to be 22 inches and the width to be 14 and a half inches. Okay, so here it's totally depends on what you want. You can actually make the width to be more than this. Okay, and remember that this is already folded into two, so that's 20, that 14 we have should be giving us a 29 inches. That's 14 and a half. Okay, so we have 29 inches all together. Okay, so I just folded it into two like so. And remember that that's our thumbnail. The dress there is an off shoulder. All right, so here I'm making an off shoulder sleeve. Okay, okay, for the dress, remember it's an off shoulder dress. Okay, so I'll be cutting my off shoulder sleeve, and I've done a tutorial on how to calculate and get a perfect off shoulder sleeve. I'll be leaving the link at the description part, so you can just click on there and watch how to get a perfect off shoulder sleeve. Okay, how to calculate it and know what you will use to get the perfect sleeve. All right, okay, for this part, this is a very long a buff hand. Okay, so I have XX here. Okay, so that when I attach my band, it will come together and give me what I want. Okay, all right, so here I'll first of all mark 1.5 inches from here. Okay, so from this 1.5 inch, now I'll place my off shoulder measurement. So I'll be minusing 4 from it. Okay, so here I'll place my 4 inches at this 1.5 here, this way. All right, so the armhole I'm working with is 18 inches. Divided by 2 will give us 9. So here I will mark my 9 inch, which is this place. So here I will end up having something like this. Here will be a straight line. Okay, here will be a straight line. Then I will now connect it this way. So I'll have something like this. Okay, so I'll just cut this part out. So I'll go to my machine and fold up this part here this way and attach my elastic band at this upper part. Okay, so I'll do the same thing at this down part here. I'll fold up here and attach my elastic band to this down part. Okay, I'll attach my elastic band here. Then after that, I will start to smoke at immediately after the line of the straight line that I made for my elastic. Okay, so I'll start from this part now to make my smoky. So I'll be making like say like 6 to 7 lines at this down part for my band. Okay, so then this place now will now give me the buff area. Okay, so here I'll just attach where I'll just make my smoky at this down part, then close up here and attach my elastic band. Okay, I'll be attaching this. Okay, here is the elastic that we'll be attaching at the lower part and at the upper part of the dress. Okay, so for those of us that didn't know what a smoky thread looks like, this is it. As you can see, it's so stretchy. All right. Okay, so here I will just reel this one on this reeler or a bobbin. Okay, this way. Just make sure that it's not tight. Okay, so I'll just go to the machine, fold up this area, okay, and attach my band, and I'll also fold here, but I won't be attaching band. I'll just fold here and here, then I'll do my smoke on the body, after which I will now attach our elastic to the place. Okay, then I'll now close up this part. Okay, I'll first of all use my normal thread to stitch up those parts where I'll be inserting my elastic. Okay, okay, I've already stitched up the down part and the upper part, so now I'll start to smoke. Okay, so I'll just take my normal thread to be at the upper part. Okay, this way. I'll pass my normal thread at the upper parts. Okay, then while the smoky thread will be under. Okay, all right, so when you are sewing, make sure that the right face of your fabric is facing up. Okay, then the wrong side will be facing down. So now I'll start to smoke, and also adjust this adjustment to be at the gather parts. Okay, just take it down. All right, so I'll now start to smoke. So I'll do that like 5 to 6, like 6 to 7 lines. All right. Okay, reaching the end, I will stop, then cut my thread, then start again the second line. Okay, so that is how I'm going to run it till I reach to my 7th line. Okay, okay, see, I'm through now with my smoke. Okay, so I've gone ahead to smoke those parts. So this is why I say that we'll be attaching an elastic at those tip parts, because if not, it will be as if here is kind of flay. Okay, so I'll just attach my 6 inches elastic band. Okay, I just minus 2 inches from my normal round sleeve. Okay, so coming to those upper parts, I'm supposed to have 8 inches here at those upper parts. Okay, I told you that I've already made a tutorial on how to calculate a perfect off shoulder sleeve. Okay, so I'll just drop the link and you can click on it to watch. So here I will attach my elastic band. Here I have 7 inches elastic band, so I'll just attach it at this part. Okay, so I'll just use my pin So by the end of the day, I'll be having like 9 inches here. So I'll use the half inch each to join it up. Okay, so I'll just attach my elastic this way. Which in here, I will just use my office thing to hold it up so that when I'm dragging, I'm pushing it inside, it won't be going inside with me. So I'll just use my pin to hold up those parts this way. So I'll continue pushing it till the end. Okay, this way. So after attaching those upper parts, I'll also attach the down part. Then I will just close off the both sides. Right? Okay. So I'll have this. I'll fold it up and take my measurements to make sure that I have up to 8 inches, up to 9 inches, sorry. I'll use 1 inch for joining, okay? Just half inch from both sides, alright? So that I will have this, okay? So I'll hold this place up. Use my pin to hold this up so it won't push inside. So I'll go ahead and attach my elastic at this down part also. Okay, I've attached the elastic at the down part and see what it's looking like. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now and use half inch to join it up. No measurement for the sleeve, so just from here now I'll use half an inch, just turn it at the back part, the back face this way. Okay, so I'll use half an inch to attach it down. Okay, here stopping at this point. Okay, remember that this side will be attached at our main dress. Okay, okay, so this is the result of our sleeve. As you can see, it's very beautiful. You can actually make yours to be more bigger than this. Okay, I'll just attach those armhole side at the dress, and that is all. So thank you for watching till the end. We will meet in my next class. Love you all. Bye.